I also have to figure out where this big water pump is going to go. Now, there was another gentleman, I don't know if I was fighting with him earlier, but he made an excellent point. And his name is Euclid. I think that's a philosopher back in Plato's time or something like that. But he was saying, watch out for putting on too big a water pump, because the water needs to go through the cylinder and needs to go through the radiator at a certain gallons or pints per minute in order to cool the water to have it recirculate. And he was saying that on race cars they do that. That if you put too big a pump on, you're running the water too fast through the cooling system, and it's not cooling. And that's what this is a water to air cooler, which is where your antifreeze and water go through a radiator, and the air takes the heat out of the water and it recirculates. So, and then I've got this Mr. Gasket thing. I might use this. It's blue. It's for a radiator hose. I don't know. It looks kind of cool. I might do something with that. But this is a Bosch fuel pump. It's for an Audi car, supplemental fan, something or other. It's really nice, costing about 65 bucks. And I want to see how well that works. And it's 12 volt, and I'll make some fittings for that. But I have to fit all this in together, along with the fan shroud and the fittings for the bike, and make sure that the pipe fits on without burning anything. So if anyone's got any advice out there, I'm willing to listen to it if you've used these kind of things before. Remember, two heads are better than one. And there's a lot of people out there that have ridden these, and I mainly ride alone because this is the only kind of bike like this in my town of 50,000 people. All right, and we continue with the DIO 120cc water cooler. Thank you.